In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find property page score on Booking.com. This quick check inside your partner dashboard shows how complete and optimized your listing is, and it's one of the easiest ways to spot what's missing and what to improve. Start by signing in to the Booking.com extranet, which is the partner area where you manage your property. If you operate more than one listing, pick the specific property you want to review. Once you're in that property's workspace, head to the main navigation and open the Property section. In that menu, look for an item labeled Property Page Score. Depending on your setup, it may also appear as Improve Your Property Page. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the Property tab options. It typically lives right there with the other content and configuration tools. Open the Property Page Score and you'll land on a dashboard. Here, you'll see a percentage score from 0 to 100 that represents how complete your listing is. Just below, there's usually a clear checklist of missing items and areas to polish, along with suggestions tailored to your property. Treat this as your roadmap. Booking.com often provides a task list you can follow step by step to move your score closer to 100. What goes into this score? It focuses on listing completeness and quality of content. That includes photo coverage and clarity, the amenities you've marked, detailed room information, policies like check-in and cancellations, and accurate location details. If you're looking for quick wins, add high-resolution photos that cover every room type and key facilities, verify that amenities are ticked correctly, make sure bed types and sizes are accurate, confirm your policies are up to date, and double-check your map pin and neighborhood description. You might also see references to the property page score in other parts of the extranet. It can surface in Analytics or Insights within the Property Performance dashboard, or in an Optimization or Suggestions panel. Interfaces evolve, so if the link moves, use the search bar in the extranet or browse the same areas to find it. A few important notes before you wrap up. The goal is typically to reach a full 100% because a higher score often correlates with better visibility and more bookings. After you make edits, the score may not refresh instantly. Give it a little time to update, then revisit the dashboard. Most importantly, use the built-in checklist as your guide and work through the items until your page is complete.